Hi everyone, this is Hw1, and this video is for question 5 in homework 1 of course probability. Okay, now let's take a look at the question. It asks that what is the average number of the tests we need to do by the second method. Okay, now let's define a variable k. It means the number of tests that we need to do for each 10 people group. For each 10 people group. Okay, actually we need to calculate its expected values, which is EK. And it includes two cases. The first case is that all 10 people in this group are negative. In this case, k equals 1, and we need to time it by 1. And the second case is that k equals 11. In this case, if all people are negative, we only need to test once. Because we don't need to find the positive guy. There is actually no positive. In this case, in the second case, if k equals 11, it means that there is at least one people in this group is positive. So the mixture will be positive, right? So after we test once, we need to test those 10 people one by one to find the positive one. Okay, now let's find the probability of these two. The first probability, the probability that k equals 1 is equal to, actually we could get the probability that one person is positive equals 0.1. So the negative probability will be 0.9, which means that 0.9 to the power of 10, right? And this one, how to calculate this one? Actually, these two events are complementary, which means that we could use 1 minus probability that k equals 1 to calculate the probability that k equals 11. Right, now let's calculate this equation. This is equal to 1 minus 0.9 to the power of 10 times 11. And we could approximately calculate this value is equal to 0.35. Thus, this value is equal to 0.65. Thus, the result of these two, the result of the expectation of k is 7.5. But notice that this is for one group. If we want to calculate 100 people, which is 10 groups, we need to times this by 10. So the result of this question is 75 times. This is the average number of the tests we need to do by the second method. Thank you.